Talking Galera Beauty Robson came today. I'm going to put $885 on the market, best replica forex. You start at $10 without paying anything. You have started replica trading, so we go there. It's history since 2024. They've been in business for over 20 months. Never a month has been negative. They do 1 or 2 trades a day, fast trading. Objective and ready to operate. Don't stay in the market, no. So come on, it's a big difference from the gadgets that people sell there. You pay 500 BRL, you pay 2000 BRL, and those guys load you up. They load you up with a lot of stuff and you don't get anything here. So, oh, come on. It's 2024, 2025, and you can see that it's all my positive months. In 2026, positive here also understood a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months positive is, this is personal security, my security is this. So I will be leveraged at 24x. If you want, you can leverage at 12x or 24x. I will be leveraged 24x. I have 150s invested there already. I have a good time track. I feel cool now. I will contribute more. 885. That means I will keep $1,000 and I will earn $24,000 in income. Understand? Because I've been used 24 times. I'll leave the link here, or you sign up for FX here, right? If you sign up for FX, I'll show you here. So you're gonna come here. Oh, accept copies, okay? You can see that my account is active here. Oh, understand? You accept copies if you want. You still have a swap and have this BIX card. You can too. You can take it out, can't you? Not from your bank account or Forex account, but from your card. But the important thing is that when you come here, you will send your documents, right? And beautiful woman, are you okay? And then you're in the broker on the label and you'll come here. Oh, in the police, right? In the X-Men, right? He'll tie your account here. Oh, like mine is already tied there. You've been here, looks good. Here are 59 strategies, right? You can choose your favorite strategy. Me, Robson, I'm using Sonic's, okay? So you came here from Sonic and he was there. It has a 107% ROI and a maximum discount of 0.26. Here you can see the operation. Oh, shit. So you come here, connect. I have a detailed video to guide you, okay? But what am I supposed to do? I'll come here. That's the strategy. Yes, I am going to do the following. I am going to deposit because I already have an account here so far. I have earned $23. So I am going to come deposit. Let me put it here. 885 is on it, or then deposit beauty. I have deposited $1,000 here or here. You can see I will operate with $24,000. You can see. What is MT5? I'm going to go there and watch the action, okay? So here comes the context. This is the operation that we do, right? These are the participants. I'll share the output soon, okay? There's a deposit of $21,240 here, right? So I'll make other instructional videos as well. You'll spot your MT5 password. Got it? I've already prepared some videos running. Understand now? It's surgery, yo. Today is daytime. Today is the 17th. Had the surgery today for only 145. Did it yesterday and they did 2 surgeries. Did you see that? One positive, one negative. Then on the 15th day, there are 2 operations in 211 plus 0.53. Yes, and go to personal. This is Sonic. There are a few operations. You can come here in history. Here is the same DMT5. This is the same DMT5. You can come here. Let me put the operations last month, not today. You will see an operation that is only 1.47. You understand? The 2 are adjustments. That's it. Beauty, guys. So I'm here with a $1,000 copy and I'm going to show the results.
Let's calculate an approximate average here.
If it says here, if I turn 1% into 10%, okay? Let's do an average here, shall we? So, beauty, I invested 24,000 there and 1%.
240, correct?
Well, if I make 240 but I have 30% of the gig fee, then I'll have $168 left, understand? So $168 split by 20 gives $8.40 daily. You following? So this is my average income. My goal is $10 a day. You understand? Then I'll get a raise. Oh, well, now I want to add $20 per day to the gain. So I'm going to do a strategy to get to $20 per day, do a quoting, and I take out some so that will work. Get it? Until I reach my goal of $100 a day. Alright, everyone. If you're interested in accompanying me on this journey, feel free to become part of my saga by signing up and subscribing to our channel. He climbed up, guys. I'm off, okay?